Okay, hi everyone. My name is James Chibueze. I'm here to give you updates on the hands-on radio interferometry training, which should be done with the Northwest University Radio Interferometer. I am based at Northwest University in Potchefstroom, and the update is that the installation of the 4-element interferometer is now fully completed. You can see an aerial view of the interferometer lying 30 kilometers out on the outskirts of Potchefstroom. Those are the 4 dishes, and that's the control room right there. And this is a site for, well, our optical telescope. And we do have a space physics program, which will be installed right here in the white container. And this is a picture of some of the people who participated in the installation. They were few of my MSc students and a couple of students from the data projects within SADC countries, within Southern Africa countries. And here I'll give you a glimpse into the installation process. Sorry, it's a long 9-minute video. I'm not able to show you everything, but this is just a drone video covering all that went down during the installation stages. The installation of this main dish, putting together everything, including stages where you see the students assembling the dish itself. And yeah, they were really extremely helpful with the assembly of the dishes. So now the dishes are all standing. It was literally DIY project where we did all the installation and the testing of the drive systems ourselves. Of course, made some mistake, fixed it, and tried again and again. So regarding coming over to Potchefstroom for a training, yes, we will accept, I'll open up the COF application for interested participants to apply to have a hands-on training on interferometry, and the call will be open sometime in November. I plan that the hands-on training will take place maybe the last week of February in 2023. So please be on the lookout for this. Thank you.